On Saturday, the Student Government Association, alongside 101 Elite Men, held a unity walk on campus in hopes to bring students and faculty together after a turbulent year. The idea behind the walk was to begin something special on campus.
So I thought it was a wonderful thing because in able to begin change, you have to start somewhere. And hopefully this is the beginning of something bigger, something better, and something new on this campus. When the idea was brought to me by Jason Fry, I immediately thought we should have jumped on this because it is a great event to bring unity and awareness to our campus.
The Unity Walk started on the John Lewis Quad and made its way to Trojan Arena. According to organizer Jason Fry, there was an added significance to the starting point.
I think one of the most important accomplishments of John Lewis was him organizing walks and marches that really revolutionized the way that black people were viewed in America. And so he really brought a lot of people together in his lifetime, especially through the marches that he organized. So I think that it's really monumental, and it's a really great opportunity to start at John Lewis Hall.
Total campus involvement was important to organizers in hopes to include as many groups as possible on campus, and involvement was not limited to just students.
We've gotten a nice amount of people to come out and participate. We've gotten some people from some fraternities, some sororities. We've got some people, some of the wonderful people from the police department to come out alongside the police chief. So yes, I think that we really accomplished what we were going for today.
After Saturday's success, 101 Elite Men is going to try to make this an annual event. Myles Camel, Troy, TrojanVision News.